Very good morning, students. Today's next topic is thermodynamic probability, or you can say that what do you mean by frequency? As we know that we denoted frequency with the help of capitals W, right? So first of all, we're going to understand the definition of thermodynamic probability. That is, the number of microstates in the given macrostate is called the frequency or the thermodynamic probability of the macrostate. ठीक है जी. As we clear from the definition, the ratio of microstates, that number of microstates given macrostate is known as probability, right? So as we know that the frequency of macrostate depends upon the number of particles of system, that is distinguishable or indistinguishable. Now we're going to understand these two terms. Consider an example of 4 distinguishable and 4 indistinguishable particles which are to be distributed in two compartments of equal sizes. The various macrostates and microstates are shown in the following table. So we consider arrangement of particles are distinguishable. So we generate 4 columns over there. So in first we writing macrostate. In second we distribute compartments. Number of compartments we consider 2, for example. That's why I'm writing first compartment, and in other I'm writing second compartment. Or in the fourth column we going to write number of microstates. So if we going to consider 4 distinguishable particles, that means in first arrangement we going to distribute 4 in first compartment and no one in second compartment, or you can say that second compartment is empty. In that case, in first compartment we writing the number of particles, for example A, B, C and D. So in second compartment it will be empty, so the number of microstate is 1. Similarly, second arrangement, so in second arrangement we are going to distribute 3 particles in first compartment and 1 particle in second compartment. So again, as the previous article we understand, in the previous article, when we are going to distribute the 4 distinguishable particles, that is A, B and C, which one is missing, we are going to put that missing particle in the second compartment, right? So going on, so in the arrangement I'm writing, so I'm distributing first 3 particle in first compartment, that is A, B and C. The missing fourth compartment distributed in the another or second compartment. So when we're going to find out the number of states, number of microstates, we're going to calculate, that is 3 and 1. That means 3 into 1 is known as 4. Or you can calculate the number of microstates from there also. When we going to add 4 into 0, okay, we know that there is only 4. So that means there is number of microstate possible is 1. When we going to come to the next arrangement, there will be 3 here and 4 here. So when we going to conclude this function, we can say that number of microstate is 4, right? Similarly, we going to other arrangement of these particles. We have 2 into 2 combinations, right? That means we going to distribute 2 compartments in first, 2 particles in first compartment and other 2 particles in second compartment. The number of arrangement are 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 possibilities in which 4 different particles are distributed. So the number of microstate will be 6. Similarly, for last second arrangement, we are going to distribute first particle in first compartment and other 3 particle in the second compartment. The overall microstate is 4. Similarly for the last one. This is how we can arrange the distinguishable particle in 2 compartments, right? When we are going to distribute indistinguishable particles, in case of macrostate, again we writing 4 particle distributed in first compartment and no particle distributed in second compartment. That means in first compartment there are 4 particles. For example, we considering A only. So A and A distributed 4 times in first compartment and second compartment will be empty. So the number of macrostate is 1. Why? Because all the 4 compartment is distributed in 1. So when we going to write 3 into 1 combination, similarly we going to, that means from here we understood the 3 particle distributed in first compartment and 1 particle distributed in fourth compartment. Overall arrangement of number of microstate will be 1. Similarly for 2, overall number of arrangement will be 1. Similarly for last. Now we conclude one thing: in case of indistinguishable particle, the microstate is always same, but in distinguishable particle it varies according to the distribution of the particles, right? I hope it is clear. So it is clear that the number of microstate of a given macrostate depend upon whether the particle are distinguishable or indistinguishable. For example, the microstate 3 into 1 has 4 microstate if particle are distinguishable, and the same microstate has only 1 microstate if particle are indistinguishable, right? So this is the meaning of the difference between indistinguishable and distinguishable particle when we going to distribute in 2 compartments, right?